It was good. Italy, JetSetter Chronicles, way up north of Hanoi, Vietnam. Just got off the boat. We had a fresh seafood spot in the middle of the water, and you don't get no fresher than this. It's the boat I just got off of. Come over here, look at the view. Got ladies pulling up with fruit boats. A bunch of houses. And they got these little netted cages. About to eat some shark today. Yeah, I'll see what that is. If you want crabs and cockles and all that stuff, it's over here. Variety of crabs, clams. So basically, we're going to buy the shark and the clams here to cook it on the boat. The view from the dock. Amazing. And these are people's houses, man. People live out here. Like, this is the house right here that I docked at. It's supposed to be the seafood house. See, you got the laundry hanging up. So yeah, man, I'm about to go eat lunch, pick out my shark. I'll holler at y'all.